today's lesson, we're going to talk about the phrasal verb to get one's foot in the door. And that simply means to take smaller steps towards accomplishing a goal, towards making progress in doing something. That's what this expression means. We typically use it when we talk about jobs or vocations. Commonly, that's when you'll hear someone say, hey, you know what? I know this isn't the best position. I know this is not ideal. It's not what you wanted, but you just want to get your foot in the door. So perhaps you can just do administrative work, and as you're finishing classes, once you pass the bar exam, then you can apply to be a paralegal, and eventually once you're licensed, you can become a lawyer. But for now, just accept this position in the law firm doing administrative work just to get your foot in the door. It's one step closer to your goal. I'll take it under advisement. The board will take this under advisement. This is a great business English expression. It's a great business English phrasal verb to know because in the work context, in the work environment, it's something that's said fairly often. So when you take something under advisement, the speaker is saying, I will think about this. I'll consider this, right? So let's say you're working on a project and you go to one of your teammates and you present a proposal, you present a pitch, and it kind of deviates, it goes away from what the original project was about. So your teammate says, I'll take it under advisement. I'll take what you said, what you've just presented, and I'll consider it. I'll think about it. You want me to do what? No, that's way above my pay grade. Sorry, not gonna do it. It's above my pay grade. So when we talk about something being above someone's pay grade, it's basically used in a context where that individual is being asked to perform a task or take on a responsibility that's way too much for them. They're not able to handle because maybe they don't have the clearance to or the ability to. In the business world, when decisions are needing to be made, a person can say, that's above my pay grade. Like, don't ask me to make this decision because I'm just being paid as a paralegal. I'm just being paid to file paperwork or to review documents. If you want to inquire about things that are more advanced or that deal directly with personnel or anything like that, with management topics, then you need to talk to a manager. So the responsibility is above